What do you feel about TMS?
Okay. TMS has been a great platform for encouragement. Kind of things I read, I hear in TMS has encouraged me actually to go further beyond what is just actually the norm around, and really has encouraged me to do a kind of music that is just beyond what people will hear, but what can touch even their subconscious minds to to how do I put it now? To just change them
Yeah.
and to make things that seem impossible possible. Like healing through music is something I've been praying to God about, and really TM is an encouragement for that. So
Hallelujah.
these are some
Yeah.
of the
Yeah.
small things too.
Okay. Yeah, big.